say me do.
You're the last person me think I gonna come to me.
No, alright, that's when you come out and say she free, everybody happy. All RT, everybody, you understand?
Text him in me text him in a live and me say the lawyer was just paid.
Cheers.
Boy,
What go on?
not a thing.
Here me answer cheese. Wait. Toya should have show the people them right or right, wrong or wrong. I mean I put my mouth a wrong. The people them come out and support. So you're supposed to be professional. And something they should send the receipt to Blinger. And the something them cross out. Remember Jamaican you deal with cheese.
No, you have
so
to cross out the people them things, girl.
Yeah, I understand, but me don't know what for say then. Because
I understand, because if you say something them cross out. Me
listen to what them say because look, you have to remember now them send out a helper or something, so them all want to say it fake and cheese. And that them want to say.
Yeah.
It's fake. And that them must say cause them must say this cross out, see nothing. You understand? So I saw them that them want to have it for say it fake. Boy, I mean not tell a lie, this is crazy though. This is crazy when this crazy peer judgment. Peer judgment. No, sir.
Girl, oh God.
Peer judgment.
Listen, as much as me and her have my ball that me here, that hurt me now. But you should tell me, say me.
Nobody can. You talk to Ivany already, and Ivany not listen. Ivany don't listen to nobody.
Me don't do nothing when me do. You can't blame me.
Understand?
Chance, that's crazy.
Ivany don't listen to nobody.
I learned the art.
If you tell her, she'll go cuss you or block you and think Mr. Cheese try to advise her, and she cheese jump off. So all of them must say about cheese a friend and cheese, that's a lie. You understand? You just have to leave people. That's all. Because cheese talk to her, them stubborn. You understand? But me just sorry for no say. This girl so far and whatever. Me I tell you. I feel it fear and the baby. Yeah. And the enemy them want to rejoice over the girl. And them something but I pray God have mercy upon her. And release her and give her another chance. Not for my sake. But for God's sake, you understand for me? Yeah, and for them, that's what I say. And shame the enemy them. You understand? Because my feeling for vanish waiting regardless, everybody have them flaws and them ways. You understand? Nobody is perfect but Jesus Christ.
But Precious,
you understand?
Precious,
you have no sin cast the first.
My colleague this morning I've been explaining to the people one
misinformation. Me out. Me not tell every minute
you're
the last person me think I gonna come to me.
No, alright, that's when you come out and say she free, everybody happy. All RT, everybody, you understand?
That's why I stay up on my life. Me not even jump up when them say, cause Toya tell me, you know. Me I tell her, say me I want she clear immigration first. Me want hear she call me phone.
But me never know say she should go through immigration.
Me you get me? Cause Toya been call me and me have it and me hold it. Me stop everything and say, guys, let us pray. Because say she tell me say she out. You see me? So me I say, alright, then me know the procedure. After that, immigration come next. You get me? So me then I say, guys, come let us pray. And we go some boom and everybody stop what them I do and mute them and start play back some song and start chant some song.
Yeah. Come remember me did over the life to cheese the morning.
The people down at the court. Where you send people down at the court? I bet you ask me, Toya, anybody that down at the court?
Toya, you cannot say that the man needs to help the girl. He's trying his best. He don't know who is around to help. He must do everything in him for this drunk rat I help.
Ivany don't know none of these people.
And give me right, you have to do that.
Yeah, true.
But listen, Ivany don't know none of these people that he's sending down there.
Well, me don't know, me just sorry I said, me just want God to help her, that's all right now. Nobody can help her, but God alone can help her.
Me tell him, say God alone can help her.
God alone, and we have to just pray and think and hope for the best for her, that's it. You understand? I ask God to turn it around. Me just sorry how she never there in New York. You understand? Me just sorry. Yeah, but it is what it is. I hope God have mercy upon her, as me say. And help her and think cause she's not the worst and she's somebody's child. You understand? Now care what everybody have them flaws and them flaws. Me not go whatever I say. You understand? Yeah. But it is what it is. I feel it fear. I'm sorry for whatever like this. God no care. I got my bed last night when we wake up this morning. Me not see it, me see different things. I
Man,
said,
the
wait
way
him
I
there.
fucking stress, me had the last track of things ever for do.
Blood
Cause me in
clot.
a shock, me can't believe this real. Like,
Mr.
it just
Cheese, but got my bed so early
suddenly
this
without nobody
morning.
even know.
You know, see me text her Cheese and said Cheese Lula le. Because me think
Okay.
she think there. Me think she come. I me
Send
never
you
know me got my
everything.
bed so early, mama. Cause you know thing there. Yeah, Friday know me I hear different story to Mr. Jano Star. Me I tell them I feel it for the day. I don't care who ask, everybody have thing. I don't know Ivany from nowhere. I never know meet her in a real life, but everybody have thing. I not a bad mind and I not think because we all a woman and I don't care when nobody was say. Everybody, every dog have them 7 o'clock. Today for you, tomorrow for me, so make them go and wish for the girl don't fall. You understand?
And you know, say, what we really have about them that wish for that don't fall still. But I go tell the lie. Them
No,
set of
not,
people they want help her. You see
no.
me? We
Yeah,
are
some of
talk
them
about the
in
people
the
them.
comment, yeah.
We are
We are
talk
say
about
about this,
them
but she don't know America law, and she
okay.
do this and do that and that. Vany young, Vany is just 26. She still need guidance. You understand? And only thing I blame her for Vany have to listen more. You understand? And just chill. Sometimes you have to listen to everything you got to take in, but you can't listen for advice. Allow me I tell Cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to listen, but Vany is so ignorant. Why me have think them in a comment for Vany? Because sometimes if you comment, she go block you. So you see, she me just observe and just listen to
Yeah.
her. You understand? Yeah, thank you, sweetheart. But I just the truth. And me I go pray for her and I love Ice. Remember, say me predict say Ice a born Christmas Day, no Cheese. Oh, and me predict pan her live with you. Oh, I ask Toya if she was from money. Me I tell Toya, me send request Toya do ever add me. So that's why I just start my life for giant pan it. Yeah, for thing that but I feel a way star, I feel a way for Vany. And everybody I try to help, but you have to be credible for show up people because she's been my money and you know Jamaican people stay cheese.
Well, listen, me don't know if it's say still. You know why make all RT good at add for me too. Remember RT asked me know Toya and them things, you know. And me say, yeah. The only reason why me not take the money, cause me I tell you, me not like the last time when me take you and the money. Me never like how them did a call up my name. And me know me not fuck with people.
Yeah,
So me just say, you know what? Tired them can deal with that. I tired
yeah.
them me and I just turn back
True,
friend.
true, true.
Me
Why
like
me I
this
tell
too.
you? Me not
Don't
like
like
it
it.
neither.
Because the
Don't
time
look
when
good
everybody
cheese.
say unite and a help
Unite.
her, a
And then now it
problem.
gone. It gone. Wait, it gone from
The
0
thing
to
is a big
300.
man, like a big blood clot man. You respect
Cheese. It
where it
gone
come
from
from.
0 to 300 cheese. It not look good. From 0 to
Fuck
300,
you, no.
everything just turned.
Me fucking think
Bumble
the people
star.
who have respect for now lose that shit. Oh, you gonna feel like you gonna disrespect
Enough.
me. Your whole secret for me never meet you a day in my life yet. You never mail nothing come on my yard yet come give me. The only thing you give me a money
I know.
and give me gift. So
It's
for
never
come by and
really.
make up story for me about pill. You fucking rude. Yeah? Me no want a man.
Sure.
The boys them like me bad. Me say the boys them like me bad. And me have them in the midfielder back right now. Me not ask. Give yourself here. I mean, like fuck.